Welcome to Master Your Life. This channel is all about learning the skills schools don't always teach, like managing money, staying safe, and building independence. Each video is made for educational purposes, giving you general information you can use in everyday life. We're not here to replace professional advice, but to help you feel confident, informed, and ready to take on the real world. Let's get started. Let's go beyond the basics and look at how to stay safe with money in your daily life. First, keep your devices secure. If you use a phone for mobile banking, add a passcode or fingerprint lock. Never stay logged into your banking app when you're done. If someone picks up your phone, they shouldn't have direct access to your money. Second, use alerts to your advantage. Most banks let you set up text or app notifications for every purchase. This way, you'll know immediately if a charge appears that wasn't yours. Think of alerts as your early warning system. Third, be careful with public Wi-Fi. Logging into your bank while sitting at a coffee shop might seem harmless, but open networks are easier for hackers to exploit. Save online banking for when you're at home or using a secure connection. Fourth, think about card safety when traveling. Before you leave town, tell your bank so they don't freeze your card when they see unusual charges. And always carry a backup payment method, a second card or some cash, in case one option fails. Finally, know how to respond quickly. If your wallet or phone is lost, don't panic. Call your bank right away to freeze your account. Acting fast limits damage and gets you back on track sooner. These steps, device security, alerts, safe connections, travel habits, and quick response, give you confidence in handling money anywhere, not just at home. Practice them now, and you'll stay a step ahead of financial risks every day.